Hey everyone, welcome to Geeksvana. This is one of our rumour mill series of videos, where we will bring you the latest drone and tech rumours like the DJI Action camera release we brought to you last month. Stay tuned to find out all about the leaked DJI Spark 2 specifications, as well as indications of how it will look. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, click the notification bell. So last week, one of our 2-minute drone news reports featured some brief information on the rumoured upcoming release of the DJI Spark 2. Many of you have asked for more information. Now all this started with the Twitter account OzitaLV, run by someone who describes himself as a verified drone pilot on DJI BBS. Certainly his predictions and artistic impressions have had a pretty decent track record of predicting DJI releases long before they become a reality. Here you can see his pictures of the rumoured Spark 2. Since his posts last year, things have been a little quiet on the Spark 2 front, with focus on other rumours including the future of the Phantom series, but now we have more solid information. This is still just a rumour, but it appears we are looking at a July launch of the DJI Spark 2. Amongst other reports, Drone DJ have released a list of the full specs. Let's take a look at them now. First up, the new drone is expected to have a 4K camera, capable of 30 frames per second at that resolution. They will be increasing the video bitrate. As you might expect with the original Spark now being an older model, there will be an improved 3-axis gimbal, Active Track 2.0, 2x digital zoom, an increased flight time of 18 minutes up from the original 16 minutes, new battery design, which will not be compatible with the original. The range of the Spark 2 will officially be the same, but a new antenna design along with a new controller will improve the overall connection, but it will not include OcuSync 2.0. It is expected in 2 colours, black and white. The Spark 2 will offer a new panorama mode. What about the price point? With impressive camera capabilities for a starter photography drone, the new Spark 2 will need to sit well within the existing DJI product range, and we would expect the price to remain around the current $499. From DJI's own statements and interviews, we should be expecting another couple of releases this year, and we're hoping this rumoured release will bring the Chinese firm focusing back onto drone releases, even though we have thoroughly enjoyed the 2 camera releases with the Osmo Pocket and Action. What are your thoughts? Does this spec list meet up to your hopes and expectations? Will you upgrade your existing Spark to the new drone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest news updates, as well as our rumour mill videos. Is your drone spying on you? Click here to watch our 2-minute drone news report on warnings from the US government about just that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.